How to fix check your notification on another device for Facebook two-factor authentication. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix this. First thing you're going to have to do is just enter your email address and then enter your password. So let me just quickly enter my password from here. And once you tap in the login button, if you have set up two-factor authentication, it will ask you to do so, but if you've saved it on this device, you won't be required to do that. But if it says check your other device, then you might have to go to your notification here and you'll get a notification about the verification for your other device. So you can just verify it from your notification. But if you don't see the notification on your account, what you need to do is simply head over to your Google Chrome or any other web browser and search for Facebook support here. So let me just quickly go ahead and search for Facebook support, or you could just type in Facebook recovery. Go to account recovery from here. And once your account recovery is open, all you have to do is tap on something called two-factor authentication, or you could just search on the help center 2FA, hit enter, and it will show you about the two-factor authentication. You could read through these steps and see how this works. If it was helpful, you could just rate them, or if you said no, tap on OK, and you could briefly explain what happened. Just tell them that your two-factor authentication notification is not being shown. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.